We're all human, and we all just want a chance. A chance at life, a chance at an education, a chance at a future, really. I know that each and every one of you has the opportunity to help someone else. All you need to do is help one person, expecting nothing in return. To me, that is a humanitarian. You don't have to be rich to be a humanitarian. You don't have to be rich to help somebody. You don't gotta be famous. You don't even have to be college educated. It starts with your neighbor, the person right next to you, the person sitting next to you in class, the kid down the block in your neighborhood. You just do whatever you can to help in any way that you can. And today I want to challenge each of you to make a commitment to help one person, one organization, one situation that touches your heart. My grandmother always used to say, if you got $1, there's plenty to share. I believe God put us all here for a reason, and we all have our purpose, and we're here to fulfill our purpose. The minute you learn to love yourself, you would not want to be anybody else. I think the thing that's kept me sane, the thing that's kept me humble, the thing that's kept me successful is being myself, because I think I can inspire a lot of young women to be themselves. And that is half the battle. That is it. Just be yourself. It's the easiest thing to be. You have to work really hard. A lot of sleepless nights. Do not quit. But also try to take breaks. And I gotta give myself that advice. You gotta take breaks just to check in with yourself. You be fearless every day, and when you don't feel like it, just pretend, girl. That's it. Really and truly, don't let them see you sweat. I don't think you get celebrated enough. You should be celebrated for every aspect of your growth and your growing pains. You should be celebrated for your creativity, for your fearlessness, for your persistence and determination. You should be celebrated for all the effort that you put into building your future, for being different, for not being given enough credit, because you are all the next generation. We need to invest in you. You're the ones who see the world through new eyes, with a new perspective. You're the ones who care about the future of our planet. You're the ones who will change the current state of the world. And unfortunately, you are the ones who are often ignored. Your voices aren't heard often enough, and you're the ones we need to be listening to. So I'm here to say that I'm listening, I'm watching, and you're up next. We can only fix this world together. We can't do it divided. I cannot emphasize that enough. We can't let the desensitivity seep in. That if it's your problem, then it's not mine. It's a woman's problem. It's a black people problem. It's a poor people problem. I mean, how many of us in this room have colleagues and partners and friends from other races, sexes, religions? Show of hands. Well, then, you know, they want to break bread with you, right? They like you? Well, then, this is their problem too. So when we're marching and protesting and posting about the Michael Brown Jr.'s and the Tatiana Jeffersons of the world, tell your friends to pull up.